I'm Stephanie Hansen from stephaniesdish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my extremely famous, super delicious pickle dip. I am obsessed with pickles. I'm a canner. I pickle cucumbers in the summer and make my own. So we are going to start with some cream cheese at room temperature with some sour cream, 1 cup of chopped pickles. So if you like a hot pickle, you could do that. If you like a dill, you could do that. I also like to add other pickly bits. So I've got some pickled jalapenos, banana peppers, which are also pickled and give a little bit of texture and tang. And then I have a tablespoon of fresh garlic. Garlic powder, and you're gonna use about a tablespoon. It's kind of a lot. And we've got dill. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of that because you want it to be dilly. We've got some hot mustard, again, just to give it a little flavor, and then a 1/4 cup of pickle juice. And we're going to combine all of this, and it's going to make a super delicious chip dip. Now, it doesn't have to be just for chips either. You could use this as a spread for bagels if you were having a brunch. That would be super delicious. You could also use it to top eggs, like a little tablespoon of that would be delicious on an omelet or on a fried egg situation. You can use it as a sandwich spread. So like maybe you're making a ham sandwich. You could have a pickle dip instead of a mayonnaise. It would be super good. Everybody loves pickle dip, and everyone you know will ask you for the recipe. Let's go for it. You get the crunch of the chip with the crunch of the pickle too. You get that hint of acid from the pickle juice. You'd think it would be super garlicky from the garlic powder and the fresh garlic, but it's not. I mean, it probably is on your breath, but it's not when you're eating it. It's like the perfect amount. If you want to, you could add a little salt. I feel like this is actually just completely perfect in how I want it. You can find all of my recipes at stephaniesdish.com. You can find the pickle dip. You can find other dips too. Just make sure you go to the website. And while you're here, why don't you subscribe? Because if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can get a notification anytime I post a recipe. Look for Stephanie Hansen on Substack and subscribe. So good.